cough. It is made with herbal products. You can store this powder in an airtight container or an airtight bottle. It can be either used in a powder form or in a syrup form. You can use it 3 times in a day to cure your cough. You can also use it for